Install special PP setting blocks. Spray water before applying foam. Use Class A brand foam. Clean off dust before applying sealant. Use branded weather-resistant structural sealant for exterior walls. Bond the stainless steel plate firmly with structural adhesive. Foam can provide fixation and noise reduction. Install a stainless steel waterproof sill on the windowsill. The distance from the fixing point to the corner should be about 150 millimeters. Keep the distance between fixing points at 350 millimeters. Do not place fixing points on the thermal break. Use stainless steel self-tapping screws or stainless steel expansion anchors for fixation. Do not apply exterior sealant too narrowly. Do not leave any gaps unsealed. Special glass setting blocks. Fill foam around all sides of the glass. Do not apply indoor sealant too narrowly. Use branded products and select premium anti-mildew sealant for humid environments.